Hi guys, this is Ahyat Ishak, and this is another video review of a PropertyGuru article. And as you can see here, secondary market to remain sluggish. It was an article on April 15th. So this is another interesting article, and as you can see here, it cited that most investors have the appetite for perhaps newer projects rather than second-hand properties, and partly is because when you buy new projects you can get DIBS, that's Developers Interest Bearing Scheme. So in Malaysia there's this thing called DIBS where when you buy under construction, off the plan, some people call it, you buy new projects from the primary market direct from developers, you can get this DIBS where you don't have to pay any interest during construction. So it's pretty cool. So if the construction was 3 years, you don't have to pay for anything, and once it's completed you get the keys. And if you're a flipper, if you sell fast, then basically there's really not much cost involved in it. So a lot of investors look at new projects because of that. And basically here there are a lot of things that are affecting the secondary market, and it's basically availability of financing. And a lot of people are affected by the 70% loan to value. In Malaysia we're hit by 70%, but in many parts of the world the margin of financing has always been much lower than that. And for some, 70% in some parts of the world would be pretty good because they are experiencing something like 50% and below. But for Malaysians, we're at during a certain time we're used to 90%. So that's the thing. Okay, the last few paragraphs, in fact the last 3 paragraphs, is very important. Check this out. This article cited that landed terrace houses are experiencing a situation where demand is higher than its supply. Demand surpasses supply in areas like Subang Jaya, USJ, PJ, Puchong, Cheras, Hartamas, and Bangsa. So look out for those areas. I've got a couple of properties in those areas. On the other hand, landed and strata projects near MRT and LRT stations are forecasted to pose good demand. Everybody knows this, but you know what? Prices has already moved so much. New projects along the MRT and LRT lines, especially near the stations, are already more expensive. Yep. So, and this is a kind of cool thing too. More than 1/3 of Penang's 1.61 million population are aged between 25 and 44. So that's gonna be the big demand for houses or residential properties each year. So another good article by our wonderful friends in PropertyGuru. This one was again the wonderful Farah Wahida. I haven't met her before. I wish I could. Salute to your work in giving us good info for property investors. So thank you. See you guys in the next video review. Bye bye.